Oh, it wasn't.
To
Okay, now it's recording.
hello everybody, welcome to whoever's channel or who I'm posting AI.
Probably mine, yeah. Anyways, today we are reacting to
Well, also voiceover.
voiceovering to a Genshin Impact Gotcha thing, cause why not?
Huzzah!
Huzzah, huzzah.
Their French sib is addicted.
Alright, let's see. This is by the Jakku?
Hopefully we pronounced that right. We should. Okay, let's get a bit.
If we didn't say that right, please don't sue us. Anyways,
Don't get mad at us, guys.
please. No,
Let's start. And
okay.
we'll pick carrot.
Chiwi Flash.
Okay.
Hold up. Alright, we should probably
Be
read this.
warning. Flash swords. God. A bit of their aim.
Alright. I got. They're saying us right here. I don't really know how to pronounce that, so, where is it?
The jackal?
Yeah, that's what I said, but I don't know. Jakku? I don't know. Alright. Oh, let me put the sound back on. That's probably best.
We need to decide who we're being. Hold up.
Oh, yeah. Hold up. I already called Fancy. I think that's right.
Oh, how dare you? Yes, I'm being. Why are there more females?
I don't know. Bro, there's
Just
only.
pick the. Okay, we each get 3.
Alright. I'll be. I like this girl. So, I'll steal her, Venti, and this guy.
Okay, I get the other ones. I get Farina, Nahida, and Shogun. You get Venti, Zhongli, and I forget the other one's name.
Red-haired girl. I don't dance like that. This one's you.
But I think it's very nice. I'm looking at Zhongli. Did you see that reaction from Zhongli?
I'm dying.
He was just like, he was just like, and both of you shut up.
Wait, your fans love to make you cute.
Okay,
La la la.
credits to all the people who made these TikToks.
Yeah.
Why did it pass us though? Yeah, the videos about them too.
La
No
la
good
la.
audio.
Huh?
There was no audio really. Oh, oh.
What? Why this video? They turned out the sound. We're doomed.
Isn't that? Isn't that your thing to watch?
Oh, she didn't know. Hold up.
I'm gonna be
Why aren't these people talking? And why is there no audio? Swear to gosh.
Because probably they needed it for copyright.
Probably.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, copyright again. Oh.
Bro.
That's my reaction.
Jesus. Benji's like, oh shit. You're probably gonna find these edits and connect them.
To be honest, this is the most normal one.
I agree with Mr. Zhongli. You're gonna collect all these edits, I know it.
I'm just like recording these edits from my mind.
Ja, Sachen is video Mr. Benton. Don't know if that was audible. I've seen this. Crypto was at the beginning and really others find out that people don't know you or not. What? I don't understand what
Probably.
she was saying.
I don't know either. I'm very slow. I don't understand this.
I'm sorry, y'all. I like this one, Mr. Andy.
Soon is so fun, bro. We're chilling.
He looks drunk.
Oh my gosh. Venti just left the chat.
Enter Discord leaving noise.
That's me leaving if I ever saw this. I would throw my phone if that was on my phone.
I was so like imagining if that was Jesus.
Isn't it? The other person I'm voicing over. Shh. Anyways,
I did it though.
Hmm?
I did the stretch though.
We don't talk about that. Shush over here.
Happy hair, tell me where.
Tell me.
Wait, we should probably not.
I mean,
The only one where they're silent, Wella. Oh yeah, this is what I told you about this one time. You remember how I told you the unknown bard died?
Mm-hmm.
This is what I was talking about.
Mm.
Not me lore dropping.
La 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 la. Answer.
We are idiots, I feel like.
Yep. My current form is not so different from the situation with fake Stanley. I took the form of a friend.
Blood. I'm so sorry for your loss, Mr. Linton.
I wasn't paying attention if he said anything.
I said it.
Oh, okay. I was like, I didn't pay attention if any of the characters were saying anything. I kind of zoned out. This art's so pretty though. Hold up.
Mm-hmm. Cries.
Refreshing drink, a gentle breeze.
He seems to be feeling better.
Moments like this always take me back.
Are they going Venti just completely left
Back
the
to
chat?
a song that I first heard from him. Back then, I was but a wisp among the thousand winds. I wasn't a god of anything. I was just a tiny elemental being who lived in the wind. A gentle breeze bringing subtle changes for the better. Or tiny seeds of hope.
I love the art.
Real.
Tavalin, he has the right and freedom to choose his own way of life. I too was taught the meaning of freedom in this way by a friend.
Venti.
I like how
Someone who can't let go of the past and gives up on the present instead. I wonder, if such a person was forced to take their first step towards the future, which way would they go?
Vinci just completely left. Oh, that was it. Hold on.
Is the right
So that was it.
We're not doing another one, pal.
I mean, that only took 10 minutes. So,
God.
like, if we can find a short one, maybe 3 hours,
Okay, we do that tomorrow.
maybe. I'll save it. I'll save
Save
it. I'll save it. Okay.
Wait, did you stop recording?
Oh yeah, hold on.